Hello, I'm Fatin. Let me guess, you are here today either for your school project, university assignment, or you have piles of aluminium cans in the store right now, and you have no idea what to do with it at all. No matter for what reason, you deserve a big appreciation because you have practiced the 3R, which is reuse. Don't see it coming, huh? You actually are initiating the effort of decreasing 1.5 million of untreated waste every day and preserving the resource of metal by turning those empty cans into something useful, reuse. Why? Do you know that gases from landfill and incineration has significant contribution to greenhouse gases? And every time they are going to mine for metal, 2 to 3,000 hectares of forest will be cut down. All the environmental issues that you know, climate change, flora and fauna extinction, critical haze, name it, they are all related. And improper waste management, like trashing the recyclable waste, made it worse. And sadly, we don't even notice it. Again, thank you and keep up. So, back to the purpose you are here today, let's move on to what I do with these aluminium cans. Let's get started.